Hello everyone, I'm Lisa and this is Aryan Global Public School and welcome to all of you in our online classes. And our today's topic is voice. Today I will teach you something about voice. But before the voice defined, I will tell you something. What is voice and who's related is this? This is related to tense. This is also part of tense. Here two type of tense. Here two type of tense. First active and second passive. Okay, here in this topic here two type of tense. First is active and second is passive. This is also part of tense. Clear हो गया? Concept is clear? I think you should be understand. And okay. First of all, we are knowing that what is voice. We will define what is voice. Whenever we will talk about voice, it seems a difficult chapter, difficult concept. But trust me, it's not. It is a very easy chapter, but you must be clear your content. Clear? What is voice? Voice is also form of verb. Voice is also form of verb. Refer to the verb. It shows whether the subject is active or passive. क्या होता है? ध्यान से सुनो, पे अटेंशन कि जो हमारा वॉइस होता है क्या होता है, उसमें हम ये देखते हैं हमारा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होता है सब्जेक्ट से. इन अ सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट मस्ट बी. एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट ज़रूर होता है. विदाउट सब्जेक्ट देयर इज़ नो एनी सेंटेंस. सो एक्टिव वॉइस में हमारा सब्जेक्ट एग्जिस्ट होता है. पैसिव वॉइस में मे बी और नॉट. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज़ वॉइस? वॉइस क्या होता है? वॉइस में हम देखते हैं ये वर्ब की फॉर्म को रेफर करता है कि इसमें क्या होता है कि हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव है या एक्टिव है. वो पैसिव है या एक्टिव है, वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, डायरेक्टली वो एग्जिस्ट है या इनडायरेक्टली वो एग्जिस्ट है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू आवर एक्टिव. We are going to our active voice. What is active voice? Active voice are also form of verb. Active voice are also form of verb which shows us the subject is done something. The subject is done something. In the passive voice, we will see passive voice is the form of verb which shows that is a passive voice, that the form of transitive verb. You will pay attention here. We also know that in our English grammar verb also has two parts, transitive and intransitive. In the passive voice we will mention our transitive verb. So transitive verb which shows its subject is being acted upon, is being acted upon. You will know this voices through a table. You will know these voices through a table, and after this you will know that this is a very easy chapter. Clear? Now we are going to make a table. I already tell you that voice is a part of sentence, so part of tense. So we will show here some tense that can be changed in the passive form of the active. So present, starting indefinite, and here active form, and here passive. And whenever we talked about present indefinite or simple present, we will use here helping verb are do, does. Do, does. Second, present continuous. In present continuous, we use the helping verb is, am, are. Third, present perfect. Helping verb is has, have. Next, past indefinite or simple past. In past indefinite, we always use the helping verb did. Past continuous. Here helping are was, were. Past perfect. And its helping verb are is, only, had. And last and next, future. Future indefinite. And helping verb is will. And future perfect. And helping verb will have. These are our tense and these are its helping verb. So these are active verbs. These are active verbs. It will change in its passive forms. We all know that we already read our tenses in previous classes also. So this is not difficult. Apart these kind of tenses, we also know that tense has three types, and each tense part has 4 types. But here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 type is mentioned. 8 types are mentioned, and apart that kind of part, no any one tense part can be changed in passive form. Only these will be changed in passive form. And now we are going to change these form into passive. So whenever our tense is present indefinite, our sentence is related present indefinite, and also helping verb will do and does, obviously. So whenever we will make active sentence to the passive sentence, so these helping verb will be changed, and you will learn, you will remember also these things learn that in the passive sentence also third form of verb will be related. So do, does will be changed in is, am, are. Clear? जब भी हमारा सेंटेंस our sentence related in present indefinite हमारा present indefinite में होता है और हमें एक्टिव से हमें पैसिव में चेंज करना होता है, तो हमारी डू डज चेंज हो जाएंगी इज, एम, आर में. ऑब्वियसली फॉर्म हमेशा वर्ब की थर्ड रहेगी, थर्ड फॉर्म, एंड वर्ब्स प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. एंड सेकेंड, whenever our sentence was in present, will be in present continuous tense, our helping verb changes in is, am, are plus being plus verbs third form. And next, present perfect, helping verb are has, have, so this will change in has been, have been. Next, past indefinite. So did will be changed in is was, were plus verbs third form. Past continuous tense, these verb will change in was, were, being plus verbs third form. Past perfect, had will change in had been. And now future indefinite, will be changed in will be, and future perfect will have change in will have been. I think, I hope this table is clear to all of you. It's a very simple table, and this table will clear you that voice is a very easy chapter, easy concept to understand. Got it? And this table will show you. Now we are going to learn our voice, active and passive. Now I am giving you some example that will clear to you. Active, passive. In first, we will pick up our present sentence, simple present indefinite or simple present. Okay, and in active tense, in active form subject must be, and in passive form it's maybe or not, it exists maybe or not. But here subject is not very important, but here subject is most important thing. So he goes to Delhi. He goes to Delhi. Goes, we also know that our verbs forms take with it s and es, and here is es, so our tense is simple present. So we are here mentioned in our table that do does change in is or. We also know that the sentence is related present indefinite, so these form are going to change. So first of we will pick up our object. Okay, हम अपना ऑब्जेक्ट उठाएंगे टू रिप्लेस द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट को रिप्लेस करने के लिए हमारा सब्जेक्ट हमारा बन जाएगा डार्लिंग. Delhi is a singular thing, so here we will use is. Okay, and now verbs third form, gone, and we will use after by. Delhi is gone by he. Here we also know that subject is start our noun and pronoun. Okay, and noun and pronoun is the subject of sentence, but here this is he and its third form, he, his, him. We will use also here its third form, him. His Delhi is gone by him. Clear? Delhi is gone by him. So here Delhi is our subject, and him, he is changed in him, so this is our object. So this is our active sentence and this is our passive sentence. To this we will learn our other tenses also. I will change only verbs form and sentence will be same. Okay, I will change only verbs. Okay, he is going to Delhi. He is going to Delhi. Here our continuous tense. And is his helping verb, and this will be changes is being, and sentence will remain same, is being gone by him. Got it? Only we are going to change our helping verb. Clear? And third, our present perfect. He has gone Delhi, and this helping verb change in has been. Clear? Has been, and sentence is also same. So in voices we are changing our helping verb. And third is our and next tense is our past tense. These are example of our present tense, and here we will mention our past sentence. So Ram wrote a letter. Ram wrote a letter. This is the second form of verb, and in the whole tense only past indefinite or simple present has second form of verb. In any other tenses, no use of second form. So we are knowing this, that this is past indefinite sentence. So in the table we mentioned that did will be changed in was verb. So this is our sentence of passive sentence. This is our subject of passive form. A letter, and did will be changed in was verb. Letter is singular, so we will use here was. A letter was. A letter was written. Wrote, write first, wrote second, and written. Written by Ram. Clear? And now we are going to our next past tense part is continuous. Ram was writing a letter. Was writing. Here we know that the tense is past continuous tense, and here our helping verb will be changed in was being. Was plus being. A letter was being written by Ram. Very easy concept. I hope you are understanding it very carefully. Only we are changing here only helping verb of tenses, helping verb of sentences. Now next is our past perfect tense. Ram had written a letter, and had will be changed in had been. A letter had been written by Ram. So very easy concept to understand. Only we have to knowledge our tenses. Tense must be clear to all of you to learn voice and any other topic of grammar. We know that we have a lot of topic in our grammar, but verb and tense are most important part of our grammar. And next our future tense. In table I have mentioned that in simple future will be changed in will be. So future active, passive. Sita will go to the market. Will means future tense, verbs first form, will within first form means future indefinite, and here we will change to the will to will be. So we will pick up our object. This will be our sentence of this will be subject over our passive tense. The market will be, go, third form, gone by Sita. Clear? And our next tense is future perfect. Will have. Sita will have gone to the market. So it's passive form. This is active form of tense. We will change it in the passive form of sentence. Passive. Here the market is our subject. The market, and will have will be changed in will have been. Will have been. After this we will use our verbs third form, and already every perfect tense has its third form of verb. Gone by Sita. I hope this table is very good to understanding the voice. Okay, and this is very easy concept to understand through a table, and I think it's clear to all of you. So thank you very much.